In this factory tour, we will see the complex Mercedes-Benz truck manufacturing process. The production begins with the cab of the truck. After that, the cab goes through a priming and painting process. Then, the body is sent on for assembly. Next, the dashboard and windshield are installed here. Now, the chassis is made. And here, components are attached to the chassis. Then, the wires are harnessed to the chassis. At this stage, the truck axle is installed by experts. Next, the grille is attached by professionals. Finally, the truck is ready and dynamometer testing is done. In the end, water testing and leakage inspection are done on the truck.